I gain weight? I am so frustrated. Don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's going on. Why is nothing? I'm trying to eat right, but I don't know what to eat. So tired. I don't know how many calories I need to be intaking. I want to get bigger. If you have said any of those things to yourself or in general or to someone else, this video is for you. Okay, y'all say eat to gain weight, but eat what?
It's the way, the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you walk, way that you, way that you talk.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, shout out to you, fam, okay? So today's video is going to be all about what I eat in a day to gain weight. Eating is essential for gaining weight. You cannot do one without the other. You cannot gain weight if you don't eat the right amount of calories or eat at all. So in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down what all I eat in a day, also by calories, so you guys can really see what my day-to-day routine is like and what all has been working for me up until this point. So make sure you do not skip and you watch the entire video in its entirety. If you are new here, I'm gonna need for you to do one thing by the end of today's video, and that is to smash that button down below. Hit it like you mean it and join the CurlieCrys fam. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. I've been on a weight gain journey myself for about 5 months now, and I started at 135 pounds and currently I am at 160. So in 5 months, I've gained almost 30 pounds. I finally got it down to a science and what really works. So before I get into the actual meals, there's something that's way more important, and that is knowing your calories. So you have to know what your daily calorie intake should be in order to gain weight. So based off how active you are as far as working out or what kind of job you do, there's a calorie calculator that will give you the amount of calories you need to intake per day in order to gain weight. Now I'm going to insert that onto the screen so you guys can see what that looks like. And what you do is you insert your height, your weight, female or male, how often do you exercise, and then it's going to spit out the amount of calories you need to intake for weight gain and weight loss. So the one that I go by is the extreme weight gain. So it's about 2 pounds per week average for you to gain if you intake that amount of calories. But y'all, I actually gained weight way quicker than just 2 pounds per week. I was gaining like 5 pounds per week at one point, 6 pounds per week. Like, it really does work. So my daily calorie goal is around 3,200 calories. All right, now that we've gotten those basics out of the way, let's get into the food. So for breakfast, I typically eat 2 eggs, and those are about 70 calories, and then a serving of sausage. This sausage in particular is 200 calories per serving, and it's about a 2-ounce serving, so it's really a good amount of calories for the amount of sausage. Like, that little piece gives you 200 calories. And then I'm going to eat avocado, which is a 273 calories, and then pair that with some bread. And whenever it's all cooked together, this is what it looks like. So that is 653 calories total. And this breakfast is very filling. So I try to eat all of it. Sometimes I don't, mainly the avocado, because it's kind of hard to get avocado down. But I'm not really a big fan of avocado toast, so this is like the best bet for me. I wanted to show you guys an easy way to get the seed out, because I have most definitely cut my hand trying to get the seed out, so be careful with that. I also like to drink orange juice every single morning with my breakfast. This has 120 calories per cup, but I don't really count or rely too heavily on the orange juice calories, just because I'm still kind of skeptical on or unsure if those calories count the same as my daily calories. You know, I feel like orange juice won't get you, if you drink 3,000 calories of orange juice, is it gonna be fat? No, because there's no fat or whatever. I don't know. Orange juice is just kind of something in my head where I still have not figured out, but I like to drink it. So this is an alternative option that I like to eat if I don't want to eat the first breakfast. This is the protein oatmeal by Quaker. It's 230 calories per oatmeal, which is a good bit. And then I also put some nuts in it, and then pecans have about 273 calories per, I think it's like 25 pecan halves or something like that. And I also put honey in it, and that gives me an extra 60 calories. And sometimes I eat egg and bacon with it as well. So that's just like an alternative option. So the next thing that I eat is protein shakes. So I eat my breakfast around like 8 or 9 a.m. I try to drink a protein shake around 11 a.m. or 12 p.m. So this is what I put in my shake. So it's almond butter, protein powder, whole milk, yogurt, berries, and then some more berries. Now with this protein powder, this is the one that I'm using because I kind of ran out of my other one. But if you guys watched my previous video, I do use the Serious Mass protein powder mainly. That's the one I have been using heavily, and this is just one that I'm using for the time being because I was out of my Serious Mass. Now this protein powder, 4 scoops of it is 1340 calories. So that is a whole lot of calories. And then I do 2 cups of milk, which is 300 calories, and then 1 cup of blackberries, 90 calories. And then I do my almond butter and my Greek yogurt. And this Greek yogurt is 110 calories. Yogurt is really good for putting on the pounds. And then this almond butter, y'all, is my absolute favorite. It's the fresh one from H-E-B. And 1 tablespoon is 95 calories. And I do 3 tablespoons for a total of 285 calories. So clearly this is a very high protein shake. I am not a big fan of putting bananas in my shakes. I just don't. I rather eat the banana. But this right here gives me enough of calories already. And then I just go ahead and blend that on up. And I also put the acai packet in there for 70 calories. Totaling 2,195 calories, y'all, which remains 352 calories for the day for me to consume. I also put a cup of water in my protein shakes just to make it a tad bit more drinkable and a little bit more watery than just like so thick. Now let me clarify, I don't drink both of these shakes right now. I drink one now and then one later. So I technically don't have 300 something calories left because I still haven't consumed that second shake. So just don't get confused on what I just now said. So sometimes if I don't eat all of my breakfast, I do need something else to put into my body. So I'm going to go to the Daily Juice Cafe, which I really do like going to this place. And I'm getting my Acai Bowl, okay? Now this bowl has 380 calories. And I also just got a little juice for 148 calories. Now I'm not going to eat all of this, but majority. But this most definitely will put me over my calories for the day. And it's also a fruit-based item, so fruit and vegetable I should say, so it's really healthy. And that's why I like to get like a healthy item in, because I am consuming so much protein powder. And y'all, these taste so good. I really do love my acai bowls. Now the next thing that I do have to do for the day is eat my dinner, and since I've kind of met my calories already, I can have a small dinner or I can go all out. So I'm going to show you guys what I decided to eat today. So for dinner, I have made salmon, potatoes, and corn. And the salmon is 300 calories, the potatoes 150, and the corn is 150. And this is such a good meal for gaining weight. Salmon is high in calories, y'all, and it's also good calories, and so are potatoes. But you don't want to eat too much potatoes because that is like a starch, but it's also gonna put that weight on you, okay? And then the corn is my vegetable, so this is like a really good dinner. Now something else that I like to do is add this basmati rice to my meals because it is super high in calories. So let's just say I'm in like a calorie deficit for that day. Deficit for that day. I'm gonna add this rice because a cup is 220 calories, or the whole pouch, y'all, is 400 calories. So that's super high. Now this is just like an option that I'm showing you guys in case you haven't met your calories. But all in all, today I met all of my calories. And if you do this consistently, knowing how many calories you need to eat, you will for sure put on that weight without a problem. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I really do hope that the food that I eat and everything that I do does help you a little bit. Just remember to count those calories, be consistent. That's also a key. If you're not consistent, that weight will fall off of you so quickly. You really do have to be consistent. Once you hit the place, like the goal that of weight you
need some milk.
Once you hit the goal of weight that you want to gain, something that's really important is to go back to that calorie calculator and then see how many calories you need to eat per day to maintain your weight. So remember those things, guys. Do not forget to be consistent, be great. You got this, we got this. I'm still on my journey myself as well. So don't even worry, it is not over, it's not close to being done, but we're gonna keep it going, keep it thriving, keep it pushing, okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new to your girl's channel, please make sure to join the fam. More fitness, more weight, more content similar to that coming soon. And of course, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.